Hi students, today we can start exercise 10.5. In this exercise, we will study scalar triple product and coplanar. In previous video, that is introduction of exercise 10.5, we already discussed what is scalar triple product, how to check three vectors are coplanar. Everything we check in previous video. Anyway, we can see first what is scalar triple product. Three vectors, if you consider A vector and B and C vectors, A dot B cross C is known as scalar triple product. The same thing we can write using by square bracket A vector, B vector, C vector. This like also we can write. How to find out scalar triple product means we will use a determinant method. A determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. In here A1, A2, A3 are scalar component of A vector. B1, B2, B3 are scalar components of B vector. Similarly, C1, C2, C3 are scalar component of C vector. When you find out a determinant, you will get scalar product. Then, if you find out scalar triple product, where answer is 0, then we can say this A vector, B vector and C vector are coplanar. Three vectors in a plane, in same plane. If you get answer 0. These are the concepts we will use in this exercise. Now we can see question number 1. Find scalar triple product of A vector, B vector, C vector if A vector equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, B vector equal to 2I minus 3j plus k, and C vector equal to 3I plus j minus 2k. Now, scalar triple product of A vector, B vector, C vector equal to, we can use a determinant method. Determinant of, in first row we will write scalar component of A vector. These A vector scalar components are, in here one is there 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. These are the scalar components of A vector. Then in second row we can write scalar components of B vector, that is 2 minus 3, 1. In third row we will write the scalar component of C vector, that is 3 in here, 1 in here, minus 2. Now we can take a determinant. In here plus, next will be minus, then plus. Is the order. First plus 1 into, we can leave first column, first row. Then remaining numbers are minus 3, 1, 1, minus 2. Take cross multiple. Minus 3 into minus 2, 6. Then commonly we will use 1 minus. 1 into 1, 1. Next minus, minus 2. We can leave second column and first row. Then remaining 2, 1, 3, minus 2. Take cross multiple. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Commonly we will write 1 minus. 3 into 1, 3. Then plus 3. Plus 3 into, we can leave first row, third column. Then remaining numbers are 2 minus 3, 3, 1. Take cross multiple. 1, 2 into 1, 2. Then you can write 1 common minus. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 1 into 6 minus 1, 5. Minus into minus plus 2. Into minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 3 into, in here 2 minus minus 9. Minus into minus plus you will get 2 plus 9 is 11. Equal to 1 into 5, 5. Then 2 into minus 7, first side minus 2 into 7, 14 plus 3 into 11, 33. Equal to, what you will get? 5 minus 14 minus 9 minus 9 plus 33 will get 24. This is our scalar triple product of ABC given vectors. Now just pause the video or write down in your notebook. Now we can see question number 2. Show that the vectors A vector equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, B vector equal to minus 2i plus 3j minus 4k, and C vector equal to I minus 3j plus 5k are coplanar. How to show that three vectors are in a plane, that is coplanar? When you find out scalar triple product A, B, C, if you are getting answer is 0, then we can say that three vectors are in a plane. First we can find out scalar triple product in here. Now A vector, B vector, C vector equal to, using by determinant method, in first row we can write the scalar components of A vector, that is 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2, 3. Then in second row we can write minus 2, 3, minus 4. The scalar components of B vector. In third row we can write the scalar components of C vector, that is 1, minus 3, 5 equal to 1 into is plus, this is minus, again plus. We can leave first row and first column, then take cross multiple. 3 into 5, 15. Commonly we can write 1 minus. Minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. Then in here minus 2 into, we can leave first row and second column. Then remaining numbers are minus 2, minus 4, 1 and 5. Take cross multiple. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. Then commonly we can write 1 minus. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Then last term in here plus 3. Plus 3 into, leave it first row and third column. Then remaining minus 2, 3, 1, minus 3. Take cross multiple. 6. Then common minus 1 into 3, 3. Equal to 1 into 15 minus 12 is 3. Minus into minus plus 2 into, what you will get in here? Minus 10 minus into minus plus 4 is minus 6 plus 3 into 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 to 3 is 3. Minus 2 into 6 is 12 plus 9 equal to 0. We got scalar triple product is 0. Therefore, given vectors are coplanar. This is our answer. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. Now question number 3. find lambda if the vectors I minus j plus k and 3i plus j plus 2k and I plus lambda j minus 3k are coplanar. In here, 3 vectors given, the 3 vectors are coplanar in one plane. Then we have to find out value of lambda. 3 vectors are coplanar means when you take scalar triple product, what you will get answer? You will get answer 0 only, because already they given that vectors are coplanar. Now, first step, we can give names. First vector is just consider as A vector. Let A vector equal to I minus j plus k. And second vector is B vector is 3i plus j plus 2k. Third vector we can consider as C vector is I plus lambda j minus 3k. In here, lambda is one scalar quantity only, one number only. That lambda we have to find out. Already given. Given vectors are coplanar. So, we can write scalar triple product of 3 vectors equal to 0 because of the given, that is coplanar. Find out scalar triple product is by determinant method. In first row we can write scalar components of A vector, that is 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1. Then in second row we can write scalar components of B vector 3 1 2. In third row we can write scalar components of C vector, that is 1 1 lambda and minus 3. We can take determinants. First in here plus, next will be minus, next will be plus. Plus 1 into, leave it first row, first column, then 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, common minus. Lambda into 2 is 2 lambda. Then we can write minus in here, again minus 1. Into, leave first row and second column, 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus is always we have right in middle. Plus 1 into, we can leave first row and third column, 3 into lambda, 3 lambda minus 1 into 1, 1 equal to 0. Then, in here 1 no need to write, then remaining minus 3 minus 2 lambda, minus 3 minus 2 lambda, minus into minus plus, we will get plus 1 into minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11 plus 1, and no need to write 3 lambda minus 1 plus 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0 equal to. Now minus 2 lambda plus 3 lambda you will get lambda 1 lambda, and here remaining minus 3, 1 into minus 11 is minus 11, then minus 1 equal to 0. Lambda, what you will get? Minus 3 minus 11, minus 14 minus 1, minus 15 equal to 0. Lambda equal to minus 15, bring to right side, that will be plus 15. We got lambda value is 15. Therefore, value of lambda equal to 15. This is our answer. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. Next question, question number 4. let A vector equal to I plus j plus k, B vector equal to I, and C vector equal to C1i plus C2j plus C3k. Then, first question, if C1 equal to 1 and C2 equal to 2, find C3 which makes A vector, B vector and C vector coplanar. First we can see question number A. They already given A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar. You can write a given A vector, B vector and C vector are coplanar. That means when you take scalar triple product, we will get answer 0, isn't it? Now we can take scalar triple product using by determinant method. Determinant of first A vector. We can write scalar components of A vector, that is 1, 1, 1. Look, B vector, only I vector, isn't it? That means I component is 1 and J component and K components will be 0. Then last, this C vector, C1, C2, C3. But in question number A, they are given C1 value is 1, C2 value is 2. Then C3 we have to find out. We can write as it is C3 equal to 0. Now we can find out a determinant from here. 1 into, we can leave first row, first column, then 0 into C3 will be 0 minus 2 into 0 will get 0. And then in here plus, next will be minus, then plus. Minus 1 into, we can leave first row, first column. 1 into C3 is C3 minus 1 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into, can leave first row, last column. 1 into 2 is 2 minus 1 into 0 is 0 equal to right side 0. What will get? This part will be 0, then remaining in here minus 1 into C3 minus C3 plus in here 1 into 2 is 2 equal to 0. Then minus C3 equal to this plus 2 bring to right side, that will be minus 2, minus and minus cancel. Now we got C3 is 2. That is our C3 value. Therefore, value of C3 equal to 2. Now just pause the video, write down question number A, then remaining part we can do. Now we can see second part. If C2 equal to minus 1 and C3 equal to 1, show that no value of C1 can make A vector, B vector and C vector are coplanar. Then we'll consider second part, that is A, B, C are coplanar. Just think A, B, C are coplanar. That time we can write if A, B and C are coplanar. We'll consider that three vectors are coplanar. That time we can write A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 0. Then A vector, what is A vector? Already given, that is I plus j plus k. Scalar components are 1, 1, 1. B vector is in here only I component, that is 1. Then j and k will be 0 and 0. C vector, C1 not given, isn't it? We have to find out C1 if value is there means. Then C2 is minus 1, C3 is 1. equal to 0. Now we can take determinants, and here 1 into, leave it first row, first column, then 0 into 1, 0 minus 1 into 0 is 0. Then minus 1 into, you can leave first row, second column, then 1 into 1, 1, minus C1 into 0 is 0. Plus 1 plus part, leave it first row, third column, 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1, then C1 into 0, 0. You can see in here, no C1. No C1 means no value, isn't it? C1 we cannot find out from here. Therefore, C1 has no value. Hence, true. And here no C1, so we cannot find out C1 value. Now, just pause the video, write down in your notebook this part also. Now we can see question number 5. Show that the 4 points with the position vectors, 4 position vectors given, we have to find out coplanar. That means 4 points given. It's like 4 points given. And then first A, B, C, D. It's like 4 points given. If you join A, B, you will get one vector. Next, we can join AC also. Last, we can join AD also. We'll get 3 vectors, isn't it? Then, these 3 vectors are coplanar. We have to show that the 3 vectors in a plane. Then, maybe you will think this like points means anyway that will be one plane only. Just consider one point is there, this point D. Yes. This choke piece. Okay, in here only point D. That time, if you make one vector, this like will come outside part, isn't it? That time, these 3 vectors are coplanar or not? First vector and second vector are in a plane, but third vector going outside, isn't it? That time, this is not coplanar. If you consider the outside, this is not in a plane, isn't it? Like that also you can consider, but I consider just one point in here. Let give names. First position vector of first point is OA, that is 4i plus aj plus 12k. Then OB vector is 2i plus 4j plus 6k. OC vector is 3i plus 5j plus 4k. OD vector, that is last vector, 5i, 8j, 5k. Now we can find out first AB vector, that is OB vector minus OA vector equal to OB vector is 2i plus 4j plus 6k minus OA vector is 4i plus 8j plus 12k. What will get? We can write two I minus 4i minus 2i, 4j minus 8j minus 4j, 6k minus 12k minus 6k. This is our AB vector. Now we can find out AC vector equal to OC minus OA. OC is 3i plus 5j plus 4k minus OA vector is 4i 8j 12k. equal to 3i minus 4i, we'll get minus I. 5j minus 8j minus 3j. 4k minus 12k, we'll get minus 8k. This is AC vector. One more, AD vector is OD minus OA. OD is 5i plus 8j plus 5k. That is OD vector minus OA vector is 4i 8j 12k equal to 5i minus 4i, we'll get I. 8j minus 8j, we'll get 0j. Plus 5k minus 12k minus 7k. Now we got 3 vectors. Next step, another question, we have to check that 3 vectors, these 3 vectors are coplanar. Then only we can say this 4 points are coplanar, isn't it? How to check? Find out scalar triple product. AB vector, AC vector, AD vector equal to, use determinant method, then minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Then from second vector, minus 1 minus 3 minus 8. Then last 1 0 minus 7 equal to minus 2 into, we can leave first row and first column, minus 3 into minus 7 21 minus 0 into minus 8 0. Then in here this will be plus, this will be minus 4. First row and second column you can leave. Minus 1 into 7 is 7. Minus 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Plus, and here minus 6. Okay, minus 6 into, what will get? Leave it. First row, last column. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Common minus. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Okay, now please, I'm going to write in here. Minus 2 in here 21 only. Minus 2 into 21. Minus into minus plus 4 into, what will you get? 7 minus into minus plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. Minus 6 into, in here 3. Equal to minus 2 into 21 minus 42 plus 4 into 15 60. 6 into 3 18. What will get? Minus 42 minus 18 minus 60 plus 60 equal to 0. We got answer 0. Therefore, given points are coplanar. All the 4 points are in a plane. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook. When you write, keep in mind, start from here, last part in here only. Okay. Now we can see question number 7. Question number 6, that is previous question, and question number 5 and 6, similar question, you can do as homework. Question number 6. Now question number 7. Show that the vectors A vector, B vector and C vector are coplanar. We have to show that A, B, C are coplanar. One condition given, if A plus B, B plus C and C plus A are coplanar. The second part is coplanar. Then we have to prove that A, B, C are coplanar. Okay. Now, our question to prove A, B, C. When you take A, B, C, triple product, we need answer 0. This is our answer. We have to prove triple product of A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 0. First we can write given part. Given A vector plus B vector, B vector plus C vector, and C vector plus A vector are coplanar. That means if you take scalar triple product of these three vectors, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, what do you get? You will get answer 0. What is the reason? Because already given that is coplanar. Then this one we can rewrite A plus B dot B plus C cross C plus A equal to 0. Then A vector plus B vector dot this part we can remove bracket, B cross C, B cross C, then plus B cross A, then C cross C plus C cross A equal to 0. Again, using by A plus B, we can remove bracket, using by dot product, A dot B cross C, A dot B cross C, plus A dot B cross A, plus A dot C cross C, last A cross A dot C cross A. Next, use B vector, B dot B cross C, plus B dot B cross A, plus B dot C cross C, last B dot C cross A, B dot C cross A equal to 0. Now, if you write this one in triple product form, A vector, B vector, C vector. First part. What will you get in here? You will get in here answer 0. What is the reason? 2A is there, isn't it? That in here also we will get 0, CC repeated. In here also AA. The next BB. Next in here also BB. Here CC. Then last BCA. Equal to 0. Why we are written 0 means any vector repeated in scalar triple product we will get answer 0. Look, A and A. 2 times repeated there. Then C and C. In here A and A. So we can write all zeros. Now, scalar triple product of A, B, C. A, B, C plus this part. This part we can write same as A, B, C. How can I write? You know cyclic permutation. Already you have studied one observation A, B, C. This is like one cyclic permutation you have studied, isn't it? That time we have written ABC equal to start from here. BCA, then last CAB. This three scalar triple product are equal. Then BCA, you can see BCA and ABC equal, isn't it? Then equal to 0. 2 into ABC equal to 0, then ABC equal to this 2 bring to right side, divide by 2 equal to 0. Scalar triple product of ABC equal to 0. What we can say? Therefore, A vector, B vector and C vector are coplanar. Hence, this is our answer. Just pause the video, write down in your notebook.